Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. In today's video, I will be assisting you on how to remove the vibration from your iPhone. Okay, so say you want to turn off the vibration for one reason or another. It's like always annoying you, or you want it completely silent. It doesn't like shake the table or anything like that. All you have to do is go into settings. From settings, we're going to want to scroll down to sound and haptics. Now, what are haptics? Haptics are the vibration that you're trying to turn off. So we're going to see right here, haptics, and right now it's on always play. So whether it's a phone call, a message, SMS, depending on what app, and if you have it turned on, it can be like WhatsApp or whatever. The vibration will still go off, and sometimes it's just not that important, so you want to turn it off. So right now I have it on always play. Go ahead and click that, and if you want to change it, then you can push it play on silent mode only. So then if you go in silent mode, at least it still notifies you, and then but you can also choose never play. So then now your phone will not vibrate anymore, and also not waste a little bit of battery space. But anyways, yeah, so once again, how to turn off the vibration. All you have to do is go to settings. Then we're going to scroll down to sound and haptics. And remember, haptics is the vibration. So go ahead and then you can choose what you want it on, but then I have it on never play, so my phone will no longer vibrate. All right, if this video helped you, please consider liking or subscribing. It always helps my channel. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.